So here's the question. A fellowship to Columbia University with a little bit of a catch. It's attracting a lot of controversy. Here's what you have to be to get the grant. You must be from Iowa and you must be white. That's what the Lydia C. Roberts Graduate Fellowship at Columbia University requires. So now there is a petition in the Manhattan Supreme Court to have the fellowship rules changed. Columbia University is at the center of this. They explained to CNN, quote, "The fact is, Columbia long ago ceased awarding the fellowships. It should go without saying that a university rightly known for the great diversity of its student body is as offended as anyone by the requirements of these fellowships." Attorney Joey Jackson's joining me here in New York. This fellowship scholarship is from 1920. Okay?
Yes.
All right, first question for me. Strong statement from Columbia. What happened between 1920s, whenever they were giving this out, and now? Why is this just happening now?
And 1997.
Right.
Wonderful question. But, you know, look, to their benefit, I think what happens is a long time ago, before we had any anti-discrimination laws or anything else, there was a bequeath, right? Bequeaths in and of themselves, totally legally acceptable, and conditional bequeaths are. I mean, you can condition it upon anything, but not this. And so I think what happened is, through the course of time, perhaps people just kept giving it out, and then someone looked at the charter of this and said, wait a second, this is exclusively for whites. We can't do this. Yeah, I mean, that's
like 57.
Yes, exactly. It wasn't 57. It came way after the 1964, Civil Rights Act and everything else. So you have to wonder how and why university officials at this time finally got to address it. So that we don't know, we can't address. We do know that in 1997, when they did look at it, they said something's amiss here, we'll stop awarding it. But then, of course, we fast forward to now, Chris, which is the petition that's before the court to say, look, we have to declare this invalid. Void ab initio, is against public policy.
First of all, give me a fist bump for dropping the Latin.
You remember that?
Ab initio means from the beginning, right?
From the beginning.
That was good.
Right.
No, I like it because you just said it like everybody's going to know.
Right.
Let me ask you this, though. The trustees bringing this action, this is the legal representative of the money involved for this scholarship, bequest, whatever you want to call it.
JP Morgan Chase.
So they're the ones bringing this motion to the court and saying we want to change this. So it does look and smell at this point like we didn't read the fine print until someone raised our attention to it. Fair analysis?
It seems as though it's fair analysis, because certainly you can argue that they should have looked at this, should have addressed this, and this should not. Whether it's 1997, that was the last grant awarded, or present day, 2013, certainly it should not have waited to this point. But things happen. Apparently it was missed. And now that it has been missed, we know that the trustee, right, JP Morgan Chase, is doing it with the support of Columbia University. That is trying to address the law, declare this provision invalid and improper, not to mention unlawful.
Do we know if all the kids who got the fellowship were white kids from Iowa?
Apparently they were. Apparently there were kids from Iowa. What was interesting, Chris, in looking at this is that it was not supposed to be for attorneys. We talked about bequeaths being conditional. You can condition them upon many things.
Right.
One was why couldn't be lawyers, okay? Medical people, other people weren't allowed to do it. One person who was awarded this happened to be an attorney and spoke on the issue. And so said, I had no idea, right, that this is at all, that I got this award and it was supposed to be only for, whites or what have you.
That's why they didn't want attorneys to have it. Because you guys get in there and you mess everything up.
We correct the conditions. This is being corrected now by this court. So, yeah, I think what they'll do is the court will award the petition. As we talked about before, you like the Latin term, void ab initio, from the beginning, against public policy. And as a result of that, it'll be corrected, and the scholarship will no longer be exclusive to, white Americans.
Hopefully something nobody objects to. Right, Iowans. Well, that part they'll probably keep.
So,
It'll just be who can
why
get
not?
It. But, Joey, thank you very much.
Thank you, Chris.
I appreciate it.